How to edit address in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to edit an address in Shopee. First, go to shopee.com. After that, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you're not, log in to your Shopee account. After that, click on your profile from the top right corner and click on My Account. From here, what you need to do is click on Addresses from your left panel. After that, you will get to see an option that says Edit, given on your current address. So here, click on Edit. On this page, you can make changes to your address. You can also edit the full name, postal code, and phone number. Once you are done, click on Submit to save changes. So that is exactly how you can edit address in Shopee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.